Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js video splitter kind of a application where you can trim and split your long videos into short videos. So we are running this React project on localhost, and for this we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So if you search on Google, this is allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. The interface, let me show you the of the application. So right here you select your video file. So if you have a long video that you want to split, so once you select the video will play in the video player. And right, using this slider you can actually select at which time the video should split. So I want, let's suppose, so at every after every 1 minute I want a new video. So now what it will do, it will split this entire video into 10 sections. This is the first section, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So it will create 10 videos for you by splitting this long video into 10 short videos. So now you will get this interface. You can download each section right here by clicking the download button. So all the processing directly happens in the browser. It's a single page client side offline video splitter kind of application. So as you select a slider in real time, FFmpeg is doing its processing. It's splitting your entire video into short videos. So once you click the download button, the processing will directly happen. And here you can select the location. So the file will get downloaded. So this is, it splitted the video here. So it only contains a single minute here, as you can see. So this is a really useful application. It will save you a lot of time. The link is given in the description. If you're interested in purchasing the source code, you can directly purchase it. And after purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. So as you can see, each and every component is coded directly inside JSX. So it's fully customizable. So after purchasing it, you can add more features and to this application as well. And for running this, we are running this locally as by simply npm run dev. So we started the local development server. So it's easy for you to deploy this as well by simply running the command npm run build. And for building this, we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library, as you can see. We are also using Radix UI for the user interface. We are also using the latest version of React, which is 19. So if you're interested in this application, definitely you can purchase it. It will save you a lot of time as well. So we are also using Tailwind CSS as well. So the interface is quite simple. You come to the application, the FFmpeg will load automatically inside your browser. Then you select any long video. The video will play in the video player, and using the slider, you can split the video after every 1 minute or every 2 minute or 3 minute. So here, from here you can select the actual time period, and based upon that it will actually create the short highlights for you. So this can be useful if you want, if you are having a long video, then you want to create highlights and reels. So that in that it's really useful for you. So you can see that the interface is quite simple. So you select is using the slider and then click the download button to actually download the actual output file. So we are using FFmpeg. Apart from that, we are also using this library Shadcn UI for constructing the user interface. So this is the UI library for React application. So we are using this inside this, plus we are also using Radix UI as well. So it's an all-in-one complete single page. So you can also change the dark theme if you want the dark theme from here. You can change it. to light theme, dark theme. So it's fully responsive as well. So it looks quite good on mobile devices, tablet as well. So it's a responsive application. If you want to purchase it, the link is given in the description. And if you still face any issues in running or deploying the application, I will definitely help you. You can email me after the payment if you are facing any issues. But it's a full stack React project for splitting your long videos into short videos. So it's really fast as well. It doesn't take too much time as you can select any size of video. So it doesn't take too much time. As you use the slider, you will see it doesn't take too much time. So it's really fast application. So each and every component, as you can see, I coded this from scratch. So I know how it's actually working. So and we are using Wheat development engine for running this React application.